Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Sad. The admin of my channel is Laugh More Active, and today I will show you a way to actually is a tricky way to free up storage from iPhone up to 16 gigabytes, and it's totally free. That's what I like in this way. This is a tricky way. Said this is a tricky way. We show you my iPhone storage is like a full. As you see here, my photos is 3 gigabytes, and other apps is like I have to free up to 13 gigabyte or 20 or 10. So I don't have to pay for the storage of the iPhone that they offer. So I have a trick. Found it, and this trick we will use this app. This app is known like from Google Apps, and this is a app that's called Drive. This Drive is all about the trick. One trick is, as you see here, we have more than 16 gigabytes of free storage, and if I want to add some premium plans or stuff like that, I have to pay like most of $2 is totally cheap, and I can upload many things like I can upload images, I can use my camera, I can upload a folder, images, as I said, and Google Docs and everything. So this trick, I think, is one of the most important thing that helped me to manage storage in my iPhone. So I hope guys you have better understanding of this tool. I think this tool is using most of the time things like you have to start your files, for example, and connected with people, as here, as you see here, or you can watch your files, your images, your PDFs, stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoying doing this. Next time I will show you other stuff. Please subscribe in my channel, and thank you.